Good afternoon, everybody. One of the other things we're going to be doing over the weekend is we're going to be putting in our new raised bed planting beds. I'll show you where they're going to go, so just kind of stay along with me here. So this area here, where this fence area is here, you've already seen we have garden area here. So one of the things we're going to do to prepare is we want to make sure that our wheelbarrow, which is what we're going to use to haul that grass around, and next week we're having some dirt delivered that I'll fill up the planters with. So let's go ahead into our shed and let's make sure that our wheelbarrow is ready to go. All right, what we're going to want to do is make sure that our tires are filled, and it'll make it easier to move, but as you can see that they're not. So I have this hand pump here. It's a USB powered with a battery inside. And so the PSI for these tires is going to be 30 PSI. So we'll go ahead, we'll set our pump to be 30 PSI. Okay. It's set to 36. We'll drop it down to 30. All right, and then we'll attach it to our tire. And I need two hands for this, so I'll go ahead and show you once it's attached. The good thing about this pump is it shows you what the present pounds per square inch PSI is. So right now it's showing us 5, but we want it to be 30. So we'll go ahead and start it. Which is really cool is that this thing will stop when it hits the desired air pressure. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect this now, and we'll put air in the other tire on this wheelbarrow. As you can see, this side has an extra pound of air pressure, but we still need it to get to 30. So we'll go ahead and start this process as well. Great. Now both tires are set to 30 PSI, which is what the spec on the tire says, and we should have no problem pushing this wheelbarrow later. You can see my shed it's really compact. It's only an 8-foot by 8-foot shed. So one of the projects I'll be doing this year is I'm going to be tearing this down and replacing it with a 12-foot by 12-foot, which will then allow me to have a workshop inside, and I won't have to be doing things out in the yard.